Hello everybody, how's it going? I'm Catherine from Dryer Days Art Studio and I'm so happy to have you here today. So I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do an unboxing today of possibly a couple items, or I may split them into two different videos. But I'm going to start with a package that I got from the beautiful Laura. And she has laurasartcorner.net, in which she sells all kinds of goodies on her website. She primarily sells Lorez products, which were started by Susanna Danks, and I highly, highly recommend you all check out Susanna's YouTube channel, as well as Laura's channel. But Susanna is over there in Australia and created these wonderful products and befriended Laura, and Laura started selling them in the States. And yeah, so now I'm so happy that I ordered a couple things from Laura. I talked to her via Facebook Messenger and kind of told her what I was looking for, what I needed, and she is very willing to work with you and help you out to find exactly what you do need. And also, I think she included a couple samples, some goodies for me in this box, so I'm really excited to open it up here. I did just kind of open it already to save us some time, so I'm not struggling to get this open. My little one is home right now, so there may be some background noise. She's kind of settled in for quiet time, but one never knows. And my cat is on the table right now with me as well, so she may make an appearance. Oh boy, I already see some pigments, which I'm super excited about. Okay. Oh yes, some Mica Pigments. Okay. I'm going to butcher some of these names, but Alexandrite, I'm really excited about this. I saw this on her website, and I think it's like a deep purple. Azure. Why can't I say that? Why can't I do it? Some of these things I just can't say, and sometimes the things I can say, I pronounce them totally off the wall, and my family makes fun of me, but it's fine. So I'm really excited about this. I am a huge blue fan, as many of you know, and I am really excited to try this. I did ask her if she had any fluorescence or glow in the dark, because I have an idea for something that I want to try, and so that's why she labeled some of these fluoro, like that says not, because some of these are fluorescent, and she obviously wanted to let me know which was which, so that's awesome. Yeah, so this is something actually a little personal that it looks like Laura sent for me to try. All of these, except for that one, are Lorez, so these are, oh my goodness, wow. I'm really excited to try these out. Super excited. Look at these fluorescents. Orange, yellow, green, blue. Okay, I cannot wait. Can't wait. All right, so some beautiful pigments already. Oh, some Amazonite, who knows, really. Somebody help me out there. Somebody get me some sort of dictation or voiceover help. I need it. These stones look beautiful. This is one of my favorite stones, Amazonite, and lovely, lovely, lovely sort of teal, turquoise, green, different flecks of color in there. These are tumbled, so they're nice and smooth. Oh, looks like there's a little bit more. Wonderful. I think Laura knows exactly what I'm going for with this project that I have coming up. Ooh, and then some nice big raw Amazonite here. So these are really big. I will probably try to break these down a little bit. My husband is really helpful with that. So I'll probably crush these down a little bit, but I really like the idea of maybe having these in the middle of something, surrounding it by the tumblestone. So we will see, but these are some really beautiful, nice looking colors in there. Let's see. Get out here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Really nice quality. Oh, I told her about this. Is some of my favorite stuff right here, you guys. Fairy dust, gold, and this is glass glitter. So you can get some really cool effects with this because it'll like sink to the bottom of your resin. And I have a piece, I will put the link right here up in the upper right hand corner of your screen. You can click on a video that I did with Laura's Art Corner products, Lorez and such, and she had sent me this glitter and I incorporated it in there and just got some really, really, really gorgeous results. Okay, let's see. Oh boy, I'm excited. I'm excited. This looks like some pigment paste, which I've got to say I really love Lorez pigment paste for resin. Ooh, Sea Breeze Mica Pigment Powder. This looks like it's going to be a really pretty blue. Laura knows how much I like blue, so this just looks like it's gorgeous. It's probably hard to pick up, but I can already see in here the different kind of metallic look of this. Very gorgeous. Oh, and here now, I was really getting recommendations for this Molten Gold here by Lorez. I was asking people, look, I need a good gold. What can you tell me? And they all said Lorez Molten Gold. Oh, that just looks dreamy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I want to go to work right now. I want to start mixing some resin and get to work. Oh, and then a Midnight Black. This is what I ordered. I told her I needed some black pigment paste, and so here it is. I have to say I really like these little jars too. I can always get them open. They never stick shut. Sorry, I'm letting some of the black drain off the lid here. Oh, here comes my kitty. And I'm just smelling it. One thing that I really love about Lorez is it has no odor at all. Like, look, my cat's even sniffing it. It has no odor. And it's nice and thick and rich. As you can see, it's very concentrated, so you only need a tiny, tiny bit of this in your resin. So these little jars last such a long time. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I am so excited for all of my products here. I cannot wait to get to work. I think either I'm going to incorporate this in the video of where I use all of these, or we'll have to see. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Hang tight. Either there's going to be some more at the end of this, or I will do a separate video. But either way, thank you so much for watching me unbox this. I do just want to mention, I should have mentioned this earlier, but if you go to laurasartcorner.net and you want to purchase some of these items, if you get your cart up to $95, if you use the code DDAS $10 at checkout, you can get $10 off your order. That's my special promo code there with Laura. And so anytime you use any of the links in my description or buy things from other companies that I'm affiliated with, I do get credit for that, and so you are helping to support my channel, my artwork, all of that good stuff when you purchase anything through any of the links that I provide for you guys. So these are awesome products, everybody. I really love using Lorez products, and Laura is so easy to work with, and she responds right away to you if you have any questions. She's so helpful. She's an artist herself. She's been one for most of her life, I think. And so she knows what she's talking about, and she can really help you out. So again, if you want to check out laurasartcorner.net, DDAS $10 for a little discount. Thank you guys so much for watching, and either stay tuned or I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye guys.